Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. Today's repair is an ACE 24 inches LED TV. Not turning on, but the standby LED light indicator is on and then off. I will show you how to fix it. If this video will be interesting to you, don't forget to give it a like, and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. This TV came from another technician, but he doesn't make it work. The EEPROM was soldered and this IC. Let's start with voltage measuring. The 12 volts is stable. This EEPROM pin 7 and 8 is the VCC 3.3 volts. Seems not normal, it's fluctuating from 2.9 volts to 3.2 volts. Also, the voltage of this regulator IC is fluctuating. This regulator is a 3.3 volts and 1.8 volts, where the EEPROM gets its 3.3 volts supply. It's a dual output voltage regulator. I'm sure that this dual voltage regulator is defective. I have this board with that dual output voltage regulator. Let's remove it and replace it on the board that where we are working on. Seems the 3.3 volts is stable now. And the standby LED indicator is always on now. Let's turn it on and see if it works. Now it's turning on. But there is another problem. The right side of the screen has a black stripe on it. I tried to solder the bonding area but it didn't work. And I find out that this line is not connected. Done connecting the line.
Yes.
Looks okay now.
A few moments later.
The TV is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video. If you found this video interesting, please give it a like, and subscribe to this channel. You can also ring the bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.